Hello everyone, welcome to our visionary classes. Today's lecture series on the teaching aptitude. Today's topic is the learner characteristics part 2, where we will discuss about the adult learners. Okay, so before I would like to start my lecture series, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel and contact us for the latest study material. You can join also our online classes. So what is the characteristics of the adult learning? So this is our first topic, that is characteristics of adult learning. So adults are very busy, as we know. Adults are very busy in their life, okay, as well as they are actively engaged in the process of life. Okay, they are dealing with the day-to-day life for their livelihood. So there is a philosopher, that is Malcolm S. Knowles, says that the adult learners are very much mature, prefer to be self-directed, independent, as well as experienced. Okay, these are the basic characteristics of the adult learners. Okay, they are quite mature, they understand the things, they are self-directed, they can direct their opinions and do their work. They are independent in nature, nobody can force them, they can do their activity on their own. They are also experienced because they have passed through different kind of situations. Okay, now the adult education is based on the philosophy called as andragogy. Okay, andragogy, that is the art of and science of helping adults to learn. Okay, this is the andragogy phenomena. So its main focus is on the change of the knowledge. Okay, here the change of the knowledge, attitude and skills of the learners are the main focus in the adult learner. Okay, the self-directed adult learners interact and discuss and questions with the learning community. Okay, there is a system of learning community where they discuss the question and issues with their day-to-day life and learn from them. Okay, they also have some responsibilities and commitment to a family, as well as they need respect also in the society. Okay, so these are the social characteristics of a adult learner. There are some more characteristics of the adult learner, those which are we have already discussed, but let us discuss again. They are autonomous and self-directed, means they can do their work on their own without being given some instructions. Okay, they have lift their experience and knowledge. Okay, they can lift their knowledge as well as experience from day-to-day phenomena. Okay, they are much more goal oriented. Okay, they are focused towards their purpose. Okay, their purpose, they are very focused for their purpose. Okay, so they are purposive. Okay, they are relevance oriented, means also anything is relevant to them, whether or not they are seeing that also for their work. Okay, they are very practical also. Okay, they don't do any kind of thing without judging it practically. Okay, they think practically, they understand the things very practically, and they are very practical. Okay, they have a self-respect. Okay, they have a self-respect in the society. So these are the 6 characteristics of the adult learners. Moving on to the principle of the adult learner. So the principle of adult learner says that they have a leadership quality. As we know, the adults are leaders. Okay, adults are the leaders. Okay, they lead a country. Okay, so there is a leadership quality inside the adult learners. Okay, they have a noble style. Okay, they have a noble style to do the work. Okay, they have respect, as we already have discussed. They have respected in their society. Okay, they have experience and they are very appealing. Okay, they are very appealing also. So in brief, as we consider what is the characteristics of adult learning, that is autonomy, goal oriented, practical, comprehensive, mastery of knowledge, learning by experience, have a wealth of knowledge, purposeful. They have also emotional behavior, because if there is a situation where they are being getting stressed, okay, some problems, they are getting stressed, okay, they have some emotional barriers also within them, and they see the big picture, they are futuristic, they see the big picture of the society and responsible for their self, okay, they are not dependent on their parents, they are responsible for their self. Okay, I hope you understand the adult learning things. Okay, if you have some comments, you can comment it. Okay, I will clear your doubts with thanks. Have a nice day.